isn't amoeboid!
Oh no.
They're coming at us! Jeez, they're everywhere!
Do not let them eat me! Keep firing, or they will overwhelm us! Was that all of them?
Let's go with... maybe?
More of them!
That's amoeboids multiply in all dimensions!
I can hear their stomachs rumbling. Can you imagine being consumed by those gelatinous lips?
I'm pretty sure they wouldn't have eaten you.
That is easy for you to say. You are not bite-sized. Why have an aquarium when you can look out the window?
Nothing makes sense down here.
Sorry. I thought you were someone else, but you're not.
Is he okay?
I'm Ratchet.
Oh, that is great. Hello, Ratchet. Were you looking for me? That would be great, too. Ooh, can I call you Chet?
No. And no. I'm, looking for some Blizon.
Oh, I know just the place. But I lost my access arm in all of this water. Have to drain it, but how, Ratch? How?
Calm down. I'll handle it.
If the room is prone to flooding, they would likely keep the pump controls somewhere high.
Hey, Ratcho. You did not ask for it, but my name is Junkbot, in case you are interested. I know I am.
Pleasure to meet you, Junkbot. This is Kit.
Hello.
Hey, kid. So why do you two need that Blizon?
We're, trying to get into another dimension to use their Rubion forge.
We have one here. Too bad it has not worked in forever. It could make the funnest squares. You did it, Rat-a-tat! Ah, my favorite arm! This way!
So, is that access arm like some kind of key?
If by key you mean a way to easily and safely press buttons, then yes.
What?
But Blizon, oh, there is an elevator that will take us to one of those delightfully glowy crystals right up ahead.
What is that?
That? He is Juice, my best friend. He tries to kill me sometimes, but he is a great listener.
He tries to kill you?
If you become friends too, you can call him Juicy, or Juicy, or JC. Oh, that is a swell nickname. See? Elevator. Bam! Now let me just press the button with the old access arm. No. My access arm, it no longer works. It is just an arm now. What kind of This is... Oh, wait, power is out. We just need to find a way to turn it back on.
Leave it to us, Junkbot.
Okay, I will just stay down here and watch you. Hey, guys. Is it spooky in here or what?
Can we trust this junk bot? Ugh! Gimme-boids tracked us down! They hunger!
No!
Ratchet! The big one! The big one!
There we go.
Ratchetty? You might want to get in this elevator soon, or now. Well done. You totally... Aw, I have never seen you so playful before.
That's playful?
Usually he just moseys around the station doing his own thing, but he seems to be actively chasing you. I am jealous. There it is! My favorite Blizon in all of the station! I love the way it sparkles after you stare at it for 6 hours.
Well, I guess this is goodbye then. Thanks for all your help, Junkbot.
It was my pleasure, Rah-Rah and Kitty.